We are here today with Katie McCarthy, the chair of the Trademark Reporter Committee, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what's going on with the TMR. So Katie, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thank you, Willard. I'm Katie McCarthy. I'm a partner in the New York office of King & Spalding, and I have been on the Trademark Reporter Committee my entire committee lifetime at the INTA. And now I am the editor-in-chief and the chair of the Trademark Reporter. And it's a great honor because this reporter has been published by INTA for more than 100 years.
And tell us a little bit about the TMR. What kind of content does it publish?
It publishes peer-reviewed scholarly articles of interest to the trademark bar at large, and it is a tremendous resource. As a U.S. attorney, it's been a great resource for me in many practical situations. I've gone back and had an article that really set forth all of the case law you would need on any particular issue and see where things stand. What our goal is to have the journal serve the same purpose in some other countries.
And give me a sense of, is the idea that you want more international readers who will read something in their native language, or is it also that those people are addressing topics of particular interest to that audience?
Well, to live up to the name of the association and not just be a U.S.-centric publication. We were really interested and have been interested for a number of years in publishing international works. But it would be nice for the journal to be able to address trademark issues of significance and importance on a global basis. And in order to do that, we need to be able to publish the content in languages other than English. I think the important thing for the international audience to know, and what we're hoping that they learn, is the benefits of publishing in the TMR, how writing a piece in one language and also having it translated into another language could extend the reach of that piece to so many new readers who will then know that, you know, if you have this issue in Brazil or China, here's someone who published in the TMR an article on that topic, and you can read it in your language, hopefully, or in English. And that should be useful to everybody.
And you're talking about articles, but the TMR also publishes shorter content like commentaries. So can you talk a little bit about
the commentary is shorter. The issues addressed tend to be, you know, very specific to one jurisdiction, or, you know, specific to a particular case. And while there is still certainly a need in the field for a lengthy article full of citations about some issue of historical significance in trademark law, we also have to engage our readers. And people don't have the time they used to have to sit down with the journal and read through lengthy articles. So I think the commentary is a good avenue for someone to get a quick review of a critical issue and see someone's opinion about this issue, and that can help them in their practice. And one of the things that we have recently done as we try to address the changing digital atmosphere that we're living in is the need to have the journal accessible to everyone. And that's a policy that we adopted and put in place fairly recently. It used to be you needed to be an INTA member to see the TMR on the INTA website, and now it is an open portion of the website, so anybody can get the articles.
Yes, we got some feedback. The DC office got some feedback that USPTO employees were thrilled that it's public now because they
Right.
can access all of these articles, which was great also because it means, given who they are and the important role they play, so I thought it spoke to the TMR's relevance.
Right.
So if someone's interested in getting published in the TMR, what should they do?
A lot of that information is on the TMR section of the INTA website, but we're also happy to talk and have a call with somebody who wants to submit an article to make sure everyone's on the same page about what we expect, and happy to work with anybody to see how we can all continue to make sure that all of the legal issues that come up in the connection with trademarks worldwide get adequately addressed and vetted from a scholarly point of view.
So we've been speaking here today with Katie McCarthy, Editor-in-Chief and Chair of the Trademark Reporter Committee.
Thank you.